Okay, so you're gonna start with a ball of just a square of clay, okay? Before you get started, pinch off a piece. This is gonna be your stem later on, okay? Set it to the side. You're gonna take this and you're going to ball it into just an ugly ball. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? So I have what looks like to me an ugly ball. So with my thumb and my finger, I'm going to pinch, okay? So now that I have a top and a bottom, and then I have a wooden block. So I'm gonna use this hard edge, this corner right here, and I'm going to, from the bottom, rocking up to the top, it makes a crevice. And I'm gonna keep going in a circle, starting from my thumb to the top. You're just gonna keep rocking it up, bottom to top, bottom to top, okay? And then, so now I have a pumpkin. And pumpkins, they have like cracks and, wrinkles, and they never look beautiful in nature. So I think you have a pretty side and an ugly side. So this one's pretty, that's ugly, that's your bottom, okay? Now, the stem that we have left over. Roll it into a little coil, okay? Curl it immediately, otherwise it's gonna start cracking, okay? So now I have a curled stem. And with my needle tool, so that it doesn't fall off, if you miss this part, it will fall off, and you're just gonna have a stemless pumpkin. You're gonna scratch both ends, okay? And you're gonna add maybe a little bit of water that creates like a slip. And then you're going to attach it, okay? Really get your stem inside of that area that you've scored, and then just kind of smooth it in there, okay? Now, once you like your pumpkin, whatever it is that you want to do to your pumpkin, you need to mark your name clearly on the bottom. So just go ahead and, drag it like this. So now we have a clean surface. No initials. So my name is Wood, so I'm going to write Wood. Yes, some of you have a longer name, but I'm not gonna try to guess whose pumpkin is whose unless you're just donating it, okay? So then lastly, you're going to put your name on the bottom, and then you're gonna put it on a shelf, and then they will be fired. That's how you make a pumpkin.